Oo, dirty. Oh, dirty. It's okay. We'll take a shower. We'll take a shower. Thank you, Sandra. Say thank you, Sandra. Don't forget to subscribe. Gilana, say don't forget to subscribe, friends. Say it, ah. No, they don't hear you. Okay. Again. Subscribe. Oh, oh. There's a bug in your head, your face. See. Oh. Oh, see, I got it. Yeah, I got it now. Good thing you're wearing your helmet. Thank you, Ellie. Thank you. Mga bata din yung nandyan kasi. You- Gilana, how old are you? 5. Oh, Ellie is 8, Gilana. 8 years old. Yeah, Ellie. 8. Yes. Oh, Marnie said she's out 8 years old and grade 3. Third grade, yeah. And I don't know, her name is Isaiah. Yeah. Mga bata na yung nandyan, no? Mga bata. Hi, Isaiah. Oh, thank you, Marnie, for subscribing. Thank you, Ellie. Yeah, they subscribe. Marnie and Marnie too subscribe. Thank you, Marnie. Say Marnie. Gilana, say Marnie. Yeah, there you go. Again. She said, welcome. Oh, it's 7 p.m. here. 7 p.m. in Alaska. It's still dark. It's still light. 7 p.m. and sunny. That's why Gilana is still playing. Where are you going? Yeah, just watch her video. She always on live. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, your friends are waiting. Oh, daddy's gonna go. Thank you, Chai. What is that? Oh, egg. Yeah, she had Gilana.